If you are struggling for money, no matter how hard you work, chances are you are falling for at least one of these 5 money traps. The number 3 is the biggest silent wealth killer. Most people don't even realize they are falling for this, and it's costing them thousands every year. Let's fix it today. My name is Juliet, and in this channel, I talk about financial literacy, bringing it to the poor, and money in all ramifications, including entrepreneurship. If this is your type of vibe, hit the subscribe button if you want to break free from bad money habits. Let's dive in. 5 money traps and how to fix them. Number 1, lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend. Ever wondered how your expenses magically increase anytime your salary goes up? That's lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, suddenly you deserve a new car, you deserve a new house, you deserve a new takeout, and all whatnot. This is the truth. The wealthy don't increase their spending, they increase their investment. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle anytime you make more, upgrade your financial future. That's the best thing to do. Now, to fix this problem, number 1, anytime your money increases, invest at least 50% of it before you spend. That will help you. Trap number 2, relying only on one income source. If your job is the only source of income you have, you are playing a dangerous game. Trust me. What happens if you lose it? Wealthy people have multiple income streams, side hustles, investments, businesses. Even a small second income would be a life-changing. To fix trap number 2, start small, sell a skill online, invest in stocks, create digital products. The goal is to have money working for you even while you sleep. Trap number 3, debt that drains the future, the biggest trap. This is the silent killer of wealth. Credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later, borrow me today, I'll pay tomorrow, and so many of them. They may seem convenient at the moment, but they are keeping you in a circle of debt. The interest you pay makes the bank rich while you are struggling. To fix this trap number 3, before you buy anything on credit, ask yourself, will the future me regret this? If the answer is yes, skip it or find a way to pay in full. If it is to borrow, don't borrow at all. Trap number 4, not investing early. One of the biggest lies we are meant to believe is that we need a lot of money to invest. That is a big lie. It's very, very wrong. The earlier you start to invest, the more your money grows. Even $10 a week in the right investment will turn into thousands with time or over time. To fix this trap number 4, start today. In fact, start now. Invest in stock, invest in crypto or real estate. Consistent investment adds up over time. Trap number 5, keeping up with the Joneses. Ever pressured to buy something just because others have them. That's a money trap. Wealthy people don't flex, they invest. Trying to impress others will keep you broke. Now, to fix this trap number 5, always ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I trying to impress someone? Prioritize your financial goals over social validation. That will get you out of this money trap. If you want to learn more about savings, investing, and smart money moves, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, and let's build wealth together. And if you found this video helpful, like this video, share it with a friend. Who knows, you might be saving them from being broke. Till I come your way next time. Peace.